Don't know where to find the perfect manufacturer for your next clothing line? Here are the top 3 channels you can track them down and connect with them. 1. Don't go on Google. Search on your personal recommendations first. Talk to other brand managers, owners, designers that have may already team up with other manufacturers. They're gonna give you the great foundation to build relationship with these manufacturers, textile suppliers, and any tips to avoid future failures. 2. Trade shows. These are the perfect opportunity to meet your manufacturer face-to-face and experience their quality firsthand. Ask them about their materials, MOQs, development fees, shipping costs to decide whether they are the best fit. But not everyone can be present at trade shows or have a wide range of network. This is where Inflows come in. We are a manufacturing platform that helps brand owners to connect with the best manufacturing partners. A network of 150 plus manufacturers for flexible MOQs and shortened turnaround times. A sample R&D room to reduce any sample failures, and a whole quality control crew to minimize dissatisfaction. Click on the link on the bio to learn more and follow for more tips.